We want to use step 7 to go in and compare the program that's stored in a project with the one that's online. So we open Somatic Manager, and that comes up with our last program we were working with, our last project, which is the one we want to compare. We need to make sure that we've clicked on the blocks folder, because we have to be clicked there before we can go to the options menu and choose compare blocks. That brings up a box where we can select either online offline comparison, which is what you normally are thinking about doing, or you can compare two different programs. If you open both of them within the Somatic Manager, you can compare one program against the other to see if different versions are the same or where the differences are. We'll go with the online offline, so we just click OK, and that's going to take our offline project we have open and compare it against what it finds in the PLC. It says there's a difference in OB1. We have a different timestamp there, so we know obviously there's been a change. We're looking at the offline versus the online. If we click the Details button, it brings up all the information that's been stored both in the project and the PLC about that block, OB1. Key thing here is we can click Go To, and that will open up both versions of OB1 and will highlight the rung where the difference is. It'll take a second to get everybody loaded here because it's having to pull the online version out of the PLC. But you see Network 3 is highlighted on both sides. On the online version, it's the 8th input. There's the leading input. On the offline version, it's 3rd input there, so that's the difference. We've used a different I/O point for that first contact. So we can close that out. Go back to our compare results. That's probably all we need to see. We've seen that there is a difference, so at this point we'd probably want to upload the running program out of the PLC and store that into our project and go from there.